In this video, I'm going to show you how do you transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So firstly, open up your Google Play Store. So once you're on your Google Play Store here, click on your profile on your top right there. And from there, scroll all the way down and click on help and feedback. So if you want to transfer your balance, you go to reach out to the support team because you can't be able to do it by yourself. So you need to reach out to them. So just scroll down once you're on the help page here, hit on contact us, and from the contact us options here, what you do is type in transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Just type that in. Once you type that in, search for it and select these transfer account content option. Just tap on it, select it, and then here for the specific area, just select Google Play apps and then hit on next step, and then here scroll all the way down, hit on next step, and then now here, so click on chat and then plug in your name details. And for the transaction ID, if you don't have a transaction ID, you can just put in NA, not applicable, and describe your issue. Just tell them that I want to transfer my Google Play Store balance to another account. Just type that in and hit on submit. So this will now trigger a ticket to the support team and they will get back to you, and if it's possible they will transfer it for you. And this is how you can do it, as you can't really do it by yourself. You have to reach out to the support team.